الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today it's our second lecture of Madani Qaida. In the previous lecture we learned about Mufridat letters, and in this lecture we will learn about Murakkabat. So let's start our lecture. Harufe Murakkabat means compound letters. Two or more letters combine to form a Murakkab, and the second point is that pronounce each of the Murakkab letter separately like Mufridat letters. How to read Mufridat letters? This topic is included in our first lecture. Okay, number 3 point. Make sure in this lesson also to pronounce the letter in the established manner, that is with the Arabic accent. I told you in the previous lecture that you don't use any local accent like Urdu accent, Punjabi accent or any other local accent. Only adopt Arabic accent while reciting the Holy Quran. Number 4 point. When two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shape gets changed a little. Usually, the head of the letter is written and the body is omitted. So please see here, Ba, Noon, Ta, Ya and Sa has same shapes. These 5 letters have same shape. So question is that how we can recognize them separately. So these letters can be recognized by the position of their dots. If the dot is below that shape, it's Ba, and if it's on the top of this shape, it's Noon. If there are 2 dots but on the top of this shape, it's Ta. If 2 dots are below that shape, it's Ya, and if there are 3 dots on the top of this shape, it's a Sa. So while reciting the Sa, there should be no voice of a whistle. Recite it very softly in this way. 5th point, identify the letters which are the same when in the compound form by the difference in the number and position of the dots. This point is already explained here. Some letters have the same shape, so how we can recognize them, how we can identify them, how we can differ them, I explain it. This is Fa. The head of Fa and Qaf are same. So the difference between Fa and Qaf is Fa has only 1 dot while the Qaf has 2 dots on his top. This is the main difference between Fa and Qaf. Please repeat after me. Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif, Ba, Alif, Noon, Alif, Ta, Alif. This is Lam Alif and this is also Lam Alif in another shape. Okay, the shapes are different but the huruf are same. Ya Alif, Sa Alif, Sheen Alif, Seen Alif. Sheen and Seen have same shape, but this shape is without any dot and this shape has 3 dots. Fa Alif, Qaf Alif. Fa and Qaf has the same head. I already explained this. That's how we can identify this is Fa and this is Qaf. Jim Alif, Kha Alif, Ha Alif, Ain Alif, Ghain Alif, Sad Alif, Dad Alif, Ta Alif. ظا ألف ميم ألف ها ألف كاف ألف لام با كاف با كاف تا كاف ثا كاف فا طا با سين لام شين لام صاد لام ضاد لام فاء لام قاف لام عين لام غين لام كاف لام كاف نون طاء نون ظاء نون جيم دال خاء dal. Here one thing you have to remember that the letters with the blue ink are the mustari letters, and the mustari letters are always read with a thicker voice. Okay, so be careful. The letters with the blue ink like ghain, ta, za, kha, ghain, these are mustari letters. So these letters are recite with the thicker voice. Ha, dal, ain, dal, ghain, dal, kha, zal, kha, za, ha, ra, ba, ra, ya, ra, ta, ra, za, ra, ba, mim, nun, mim, ta, mim, ya, mim, sa, mim, shin, mim, lam, jim, ain, jim, ha, jim, ba, jim, ba, ain, ya, ghain, nun, صاد fa, صاد قاف ضاد باء سين ياء سين تاء سين فاء قاف 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 شين قاف سين قاف عين قاف حا قاف لام كاف فا كاف قاف كاف كاف واو ها واو ميم واو با يا نون يا تا يا 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 واو hamza. This letter is recited as, firstly we recite wow and then hamza. Wow hamza ya hamza ba, ta. This is the round shape of ta. Okay. Ba, ta, noon, ta, 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 ya, ta, ain, wa, fa, ra, ba, lam, ba, ha, mim, ba, ain, dal, ain, ba, dal, ha, mim, dal, ha, lam, kaf, ya, ha, ba, kha, ta, fa, ثا ميم نون حا سين نون فا همزة تا سين خا طا خا لام قاف فا لام قاف عين لام قاف نون صاد را قاف تا لام جاء لام جيم تا جيم دال طاء باء عين باء لام غين نون فاء سين جيم نون تاء سين همزة لام قاف سين طاء صاد فاء تاء شين ميم سين خاء شين ياء غين ياء را غين باء را ميم طاء را عين شين را عين سين را ظا لام لام شين كاف را باء سين ميم. So this is our second lecture, which is about murakkabat. If you have any query or question, please ask me in the comment section. I hope so that you like this lecture. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.